Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss Khushwant Singh's question answer analysis part. Let's start. This is Khushwant Singh and his pet name is Shelly. These are the books related Khushwant Singh's and most important work written by Khushwant Singh. My first question is here. When and where was Khushwant Singh born? Lahore, Pakistan, 1913. Hadali, British India in 1915, Manomachra 1916, Delhi, India 1920. So correct answer is here Hadali, British India in 1915. These are some points related to Khushwant Singh's birth, born 2nd of February 1915 in Hadali, Pakistan, died 20th March 2014 at the age of 99 years, New Delhi. Occupation lawyer, journalist, diplomat, writer and politician. Nationality Indian. Period belonged to 1915 to 2014. Education Government College, Lahore, BA. The King's College, London, LLB. Spouse name Kanwal Malik. Next question. In what year did Singh die? 2013, 2014, 2016, 2015. So correct answer is 2014. Died on 20th March at the age of 99. The cause of the death, cardiac arrest. Place in Delhi. Next question. How long did Singh work at the Lahore court? 7 years, 10 years, 8 years, 5 years. Correct answer 8 years. Khushwant Singh worked at Lahore court for 8 years. He started his professional career as a practicing lawyer in 1939 to 1947. Next question. Which of the following is not a job Singh had? Journalist, editor, diplomat, governor. So correct answer is governor. Journalist in All India Radio in 1951. Editor, The Illustrated Weekly of India, 1969 to 78, and of the daily newspaper Hindustan Time. Diplomat, served as a member of Rajya Sabha from 1980 to 1806. He was not a job of the governor. Next question. What award did Singh return? The Bharat Ratna, the Padma Vibhushan, the Padma Shri, the Padma Bhushan. Answer, the Padma Bhushan. Khushwant Singh was bestowed with the Padma Bhushan in 1974 and in 1984 he returned the award. In 2007 he was awarded the Padma Vibhushan, the second highest civilian award in India. These are the notable awards. Rockefeller Grant 1966, Padma Bhushan, Government of India 1974, Punjab Ratan Award, the Government of Punjab 2006, Padma Vibhushan, Government of India 2007, Sahitya Academy Fellowship by Sahitya Academy of India 2010, Lifetime Achievement Award by Tata Literature Life, the Mumbai Lit Fest in 2013. Next question. Why did Singh return the award given to him by the Indian government? First option. He disagreed with the policies of the new Indian president. He was protesting the government attack on a Sikh place of worship. He didn't like the other recipient of the award. He needed to return it in order to move to Pakistan. So here correct answer is he was protesting the government attack on a Sikh place of worship. In 1984, protest against Operation Blue Star, in which the Indian Army raided Amritsar, and then he returned the Padma Bhushan award to him in 1974. Next question. Which of the following is not a distinctive trait of Singh's work? Writing work. First option, candid political commentary, incisive sense of religion, exceptional social observations, satirical style of writing. So here correct answer is incisive sense of religion. He wrote political commentary and contemporary style, famous translation of religious text and Urdu poetry. Next question. What is the name of Singh's last book? The Good, the Mediocre, and the Bad, the Good, the Bad, and the Religious, the Good, the Bad, and the Ridiculous, the Great, the Bad, and the Ridiculous. So correct answer is The Good, the Bad, and the Ridiculous is the book's last book of Khushwant Singh. And in this book, he compiled profile of 35 famous and infamous Indians based on his relations, exchanges, and interaction with them. Belong to the genre biography of Khushwant Singh, and it's co-authored by Humra Qureshi, published during 2013. Next question. What was Singh's first work? The Mark of Vishnu and Other Stories, Train to Pakistan, The History of Sikhs, With Malice Towards One and All. So correct answer, The Mark of Vishnu and Other Stories. The Mark of Vishnu and the Other Stories published during 1950, and it's a story narrate of the life of Gangaram. It's an old Brahman who is illiterate and superstitious, and his superstitious belief caused his doom. These are the notable work and the book. So main book here is The Mark of Vishnu and Other Stories, Train to Pakistan, I Shall Not Hear the Nightingale, The History of the Sikhs, Truth, Love, and a Little Malice. It's an autobiographical work. The Sunset Club, Khushwant Nama, also important. Short story, The Portrait of a Lady. The grandmother's character is most important in this story. So go read about some little bit about these works and book. Next question. To what genre does The Train to Pakistan belong? Historical fiction, autobiography, historical non-fiction, realistic fiction. So correct answer is historical fiction. Train to Pakistan is the novel, most important novel, published during 1956. Main character is Jagut Singh. It's called Jagga. It's a short name. Ram Lal. It's a money lender of Manu Majra. Mali is a young dacoit. Iqbal Singh, Urf Iqbal Muhammad. Hukum Chand, it's magistrate. Belong to genre historical fiction novel. Setting of the novel Manu Majra. It's a fictional border village. Next question. Who is the protagonist of Train to Pakistan? Meet Singh, the sub-inspector, Hukum Chand, and Jagga. Its main character Jagga Urf Jagat Singh. It's a nickname, and the main protagonist of Train to Pakistan. A young strapping dacoit with a good heart. Next question. What is the novel Train to Pakistan climax? When Jagga stops the massacre, when the first ghost train arrives in Manu Majra, when Jagga and Iqbal are arrested, when the villagers join the train massacre plot. Correct answer. When Jagga stops the massacre at the end of the novel with the bad boy and saves the life of the Manu Majra's Muslim people. Next question. Which of the following is not written by Khushwant Singh? Sex, Scotch and Scholarship, Truth, Love and Little Malice, The Sunset Club, A Reign of Brides. So correct answer is A Reign of Brides. It's written by Jayanta Mahapatra. All these work written by Khushwant Singh. So Sunset Club written in during 2010. It's a 3 member of the Sunset Club, friends of over 40 years. And these friends named Pandit Pritam Sharma, Nawab Barkatullah Beg, and Sardar Butta Singh, and who meet each day at the sunset hour and sit together.
Here is a list of partition novels which has violence on women's body as a significant theme. Pick the odd one out. Options are The Pakistani Bride, But the Body Remembers, Train to Pakistan, The Ice Candy Man. So correct answer is Train to Pakistan. All these are the partitions novel except Train to Pakistan. Others are the violence on the woman's body.
Next question. Consider the Khushwant Singh all the statement. Did not write political commentary in contemporary style. Did not translate Urdu poetry. Column contains message of peace. Was elected a member of Rajya Sabha. 1 and 2, 1 and 4, 2 and 3, and 3 and 4. So correct answer is 3 and 4. He was wrote political commentary and famous translation of religious text and Urdu poetry also. So option 3 and 4 is the correct answer, D part. Next question. Which of the following is a partition novel? Truth, Love and a Little Malice, A Reign of Rights, The Sunset Club, Train to Pakistan. So correct answer, Train to Pakistan. It's an partition novel. Next question. Which of the following is not a book by Khushwant Singh? The Sunset Club, Truth, Love and Little Malice, Train to Pakistan, Bend in the River. So correct answer, Bend in the River, not written by Khushwant Singh, written by V.S. Naipaul. These are the linguistic part. So dash is the study of meaning, phonetics, syntax, semantics. So correct answer is semantics. Semantics is the linguistic and philosophical study of meaning in language, programming languages, formal logic and semiotics. Next question. What is pragmatics? A study of phrases and sentences, a study of word in our mind, a study of meaning in context in which a word or a sentence is used. So correct answer is a study of meaning in context in which a word or sentence is used. Pragmatics is a subfield of linguistics and semiotics that studies the ways in which context contribute to meaning. Now we move on to revision of these questions. So let's start. My first question is, when and where was Khushwant Singh born? Hadali, British India in 1915. Next question, in what year did Singh die? In 2014. Next, how long did Singh work at Lahore Court? 8 years. Next, what award did Singh return? It's the Padma Bhushan. Next, why did Singh return the award given to him by the Indian government? Because he was protesting the government attack on a sixth place of worship. Next, which of the following is not a job Singh had? It's a governor. Which of the following is not a distinctive trait of Singh's writing? It's an incisive sense of religion. Next, what is the Singh's last book? Answer, The Good, the Bad and the Ridiculous. Next, what was Singh's first work? It's The Mark of Vishnu and Other Stories. Next, to what genre does Train to Pakistan belong? It's historical fiction. Who is the protagonist of Train to Pakistan? It's Jagga. Next, what is the novel's Train to Pakistan climax? When Jagga stops the massacre. Next, which of the following is not written by Khushwant Singh? It's A Reign of Rights. Next, which of the following is not a book by Khushwant Singh? It's A Bend in the River. Next, here is a list of partition novels which has violence on the woman's body as a significant theme. Pick the odd one out. It's A Train to Pakistan. Next, name of the partition novel written by Khushwant Singh. It's Train to Pakistan. Next, what is the study of meaning called? Called semantics. Next, what is pragmatics? Answer, a study of meaning in context in which a word or a sentence is used. Now move on to next part of the quiz of these questions. So you can answer in this question in a comment box below. First question, when and where was Khushwant Singh born? Next, what award did Singh return? Next, what was Singh's first work? Next, what is name of Singh's last book? Next, which partition novel is written by Khushwant Singh? Next, what is the study of meaning card? I hope this video is more fruitful for your coming exams and you learned many important facts related to Khushwant Singh's life. And if you want to get more videos, then you can subscribe my channel. So see you soon. Till then, okay, bye.